What's going on, guys? Markel here, back with another video. Today I'm unboxing the Apple HomePod Mini. So this will be my second Mini. I have one I did an unboxing on back in 2021. I had a white one, which was the only one offered. This year they got a variety of colors: orange, yellow, blue, white, and space gray. So if I'm missing one, my apologies, but I still have the old white one, so I already moved it into my bedroom, and this is the one I'm going to connect to my MacBook Pro pretty much to use. I use these on a daily basis, okay? So let's go ahead and get this one unboxed. You can see the color that I already picked up for this one, which is the blue one. So this is how it comes. It's already sitting up on the box. It does have a light blue cable that they got coming with it, type C. It does not disconnect. That cable stays on at all times. Go ahead and take that off. You get the nice little Apple logo underneath. Let's see what else comes in the box with it. Hopefully the charger comes with it. Some paperwork here that I don't really care about. So yeah, you do get the 20-watt charger that comes with it, so you can plug this in. And the way you connect this is pretty easy. You would connect it using your iPhone when it first comes on. Bring your iPhone next to it, you'll get the animation that comes up, and I may demonstrate that while I hook this up. All right, guys, so as soon as you plug it in, it's gonna start a search. So let me unlock my phone. Trying to get it, okay, so now here is the animation for the setup. So you would just go through the setup process here real quick. Hold it. You're gonna hold the camera over the center in the frame of the HomePod Mini. Now it's connected, as you can hear. Which HomePod are you setting up? I'm gonna say my home, continue, pick a room. Let's go entertainment room. Accounts and settings, transfer, recognize my voice, use personal resources, turn on. And that's pretty much it. It's just gonna do the rest of its thing right there. Set up through the Wi-Fi, make sure all the Wi-Fi signals are the same, and we will be good to go after that. That's how easy it is to connect, man. That's what the one thing I love about Apple products. They make it so seamless and so easy to just connect different things, regardless of how old your device is. Well, if it's not updating anymore, that might be a problem. But for most devices, it's super simple to connect all this stuff. So terms and agreement, you agree to that. And that should be it. Setting up HomeKit. I used to have a security camera in here, found it unnecessary. Okay, so HomePod is ready. Everything is good to go that quickly. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I will come back with a review of both of my HomePod Minis and how I use them. But for now, that's it. I'm out. Peace.